Hi, welcome back. Another important tip. Change of validity for bulk or mass condition records in S4 HANA or ECC, wherever you take. Okay. So you have two methods. One method is through VK12 and second one is LSMW. So LSMW for condition record, how to maintain it, I have already explained you. Probably you can give it a try. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And all these are the different Udemy courses at my end. So like, if you'd like to learn pricing, this is the right place. These are the two different courses at my end. You can able to give it a try. Okay. So when it comes to, this is my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe to get more inputs. Okay. So let's take any key combination for that matters. Let's go for PR00. Let's go for this material. Okay. So now if you look at this, here almost like 10 plus materials available. Okay. First do one thing, select all. Okay. So here is the button go change validity. You click this and you see now currently it starts, most of the condition record is started from 7th and one is for 1st June and another one is for 25th and 30th. I would like to make it uniform validity for all condition record. This is very, I mean, this is 100% useful, like, support level as well as for end users, no doubt. Okay, let's try to do that. I would like to make it, all these condition records should be available from August 1st and the validity it's supposed to end by like something like a November 25th. Let me select this and copy the date. See now changed, so the validity of validity from is changed and validity to is changed. If you save this, that's it. There is nothing surprise. If you come back, you will find the validity of condition records with the same level. Okay. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.